If x times y equals 1, what is this value? Let me remind you, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. If the bases are like, we just take away the power. So bases are like, so the division will be 2 to the power x plus y squared minus x minus y squared, which equals 2. Let's expand this. So this will be x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus, and let's expand this value, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So x squared and minus x squared, y squared and minus y squared, they will cancel each other. Minus 2xy, which will be plus 2xy, 2xy plus 2xy, 4xy. So 2 to the power 4xy is what we are asked this question. 2 times 4 and xy value is 1, it is given. So 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Answer is D.